Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look of SafeMoon coin. What's the price is goes in the SafeMoon, what's the current price, and what is the next target of SafeMoon. In this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, please kindly subscribe now Abby's Tech channel and also like this video. Please, if you listen my voice, so don't ignore it, kindly subscribe channel. If we look the price of the SafeMoon coin at this time, so very low price of the SafeMoon coin, so it's the best for investment at this time because the now price is very low friends. The price is about 0.00003 USD dollar is the current price of SafeMoon coin at this time friends. And now if we look the change occur, so the change is absolutely very nice, so that is why it's the best for investment because the price is also low and the change is also positive. The last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is positive, and last 1 week change is also positive friends. Now let's see for more details of the SafeMoon last 1 hour change, what's the change goes and the SafeMoon in the last 1 hour friends. As I told you in the start of this video that the SafeMoon is the best for investment because as you know they are only jumping upward. If we look the change occur in the last 1 hour, that is the currently change, so the currently change is about 2.29% change occur in a SafeMoon in the last 1 hour, and the high price is same like that friends. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction, what's the change goes and the last 1 day friends. As you can see here they are loading, so please kindly if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in a SafeMoon coin or another coin, please do your own research friend. But as you can see here the last 1 day price prediction, absolutely I never saw this kind of change occur in any cryptocurrencies. They continue goes like a rocket. As you can see here, move only jump. They don't know about jump, they don't know about a fast. They take a only jump. As you can see here, a very big jump occur in a SafeMoon in the last 1 day friends. The change occur in the SafeMoon is about 65.24% as a high price of SafeMoon coin at this time. So what's your opinion about SafeMoon coin? Please share your opinion in the comment box and kindly subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.